Good day, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of the Albino Rhino food review. We have the Rhino, and we have Food Should Taste Good brand. Food Should Taste Good brand Jalapeno tortilla chips. Simple ingredients, it says. Let's see what we got here. Nutritional facts: for 21 chips or 49 grams, you're looking at 230 calories, 11 grams of fat. 1 gram of them is saturated, 230 milligrams or 10% of your sodium. Hello, honey.
Hi.
32 grams or 11% of carbohydrates. 3 grams of that is fiber, 2 is sugar, 3 grams of protein, 2% of your vitamin A, 4% of your vitamins, of your calcium, and 6% of your iron. Ingredients: stone ground corn, high monosaturated sunflower oil and or canola oil and or safflower oil. I love when they say and or. You don't know which one you used, or you could have used them all. Spices: dried green bell peppers, sugar, sea salt, dried jalapeno peppers, dried red bell peppers, onion powder, tomato powder, garlic powder, silicon dioxide, olive oil, why would you have, lime oil, tricalcium phosphate, calcium hydroxide. Okay, so first and foremost, your simple ingredients, not completely true, but whatever.
I'm not to work, bye.
I'll see you in 25 minutes or so.
Okay.
So, they do look like they look on the bag, so a little darker, almost like a kind of like burnt corn look. You even see some black marks in there, which is some of the stuff they've put in it. I like the look of them. I mean, smells like salt and garlic. Not quite as crisp as, say, an old Dutch tortilla chip or a Tostitos tortilla chip. I actually like it more, though. There's a nicer saltiness to this than either of those chips aforementioned. There's a nicer heat to this than, say, the hint of jalapeno Tostito chip. These would be great as a dip chip. These would even be great as making actual nachos. They have a nice heat to them. Out of 10, I'm giving these an 8. I really like these. Best by the 18th of August, 2021. I ordered these in February. So, I mean, not a bad shelf life either. Okay. Thank you, YouTube. Bye-bye.